You don't think it's like my trans or engine or nothing like that? Previously on Hemi Muscle. Guys, I don't know what's going on with my car, man, but it sounds like my transmission or something is knocking, bro. I don't know if it's my motor. And I've been checking the tires the whole time. I don't see nothing, bro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I'm actually about to run up to the store real quick. I have not had my car looked at yet. Matter of fact, let me start this joint up. And actually, where I'm going ain't no way but up the street, so I ain't really worried. I don't think I'm gonna do too much more damage just driving up the street. But I can definitely hear it. I don't know if y'all can still hear it.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, a buddy of mine that work at the shop, he just called me back. He told me to bring the car up there right now. He gonna take a look at it. So I'm about to head up here real quick, man, and see if he can diagnose what's going on with the car. So I don't know if I'm gonna film or not. I'll probably just turn the camera back on once I find out what's going on. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's go. He about to put the joint on the lift now and try to see what's wrong with this joint, man.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
You don't think it's like my trans or engine or nothing like that?
I feel like something's rubbing, but come look at this real quick. Like, you see how you see like this perfect ring going around?
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
So the question is, what is it touching? But it sounds like it's touching a piece of plastic, you see?
Yeah,
now
I
look at the
see.
rest of them, you see how they don't have it?
Oh.
See that perfect shiny ring going around the joint?
Right, right.
That's what I'm just trying to see if I can see what it's barely touching.
This is rubbing on something, it looks like.
It's what?
Yeah, what?
It's so wide, it doesn't have a lot of clearance up here.
Gotcha.
Closer this to everything. So it's probably just like a loose piece of plastic that it's like barely touching up against, I have to guess.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. Yeah, I can't even see it where it could be touching it.
And that's my theory. It's just like barely touching something, man.
Wow. I'm just worried about something like major, but that's still a big deal if it's rubbing on something.
Yeah, it's like probably a little bit of plastic. Because it doesn't sound bare, it'll be like roar. Like,
Right. You think it's coming from that wheel? Just because of that?
I don't see anything else like the other ones, and then it's like really close back here to everything. Especially like if you come around this side.
Oh,
Look
okay.
how close you are to here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's close, but I don't see where it could be rubbing. This one, guys. Not this one. I don't see no rubbing on this one. But as you can see, man, everything else look good under here. Everything else straight. All right, man. So he's saying it look like something is rubbing against the wheel, like it's rubbing against some plastic or something. But we can't find exactly where it's rubbing, man. So hopefully we can figure out where this joint rubbing at, man. But I'm just glad it's not my like transmission or nothing like that. I need some light. Cause I was thinking it was like my trans or something going on with my engine. Hopefully he can figure out what's rubbing. All right, guys, they're about to drive it again. And you think it's the wheel bearings, but he about to drive it again. Try to pinpoint exactly where it's at. Don't still sound good, I know that. No, you'll hear it once you start rolling, you can hear it. in the front, especially when you start slowing down, you can really hear it. Now here you come now, see if we can hear anything while he's driving. Definitely don't hear nothing on the outside. You hear it? Yeah.
You got an idea? Sounds like it's your drive shaft.
Oh man, that's not good.
I'm gonna put it there and make sure it's not you joint.
Okay. They're saying it might be my drive shaft. That is not good news, bro. I swear I hope that's not what's wrong with this car, bro.
I can tell you what it is.
What's that?
You wanna see it?
Oh man.
Shine your light here for me. Watch the center link up there, the center support.
Oh wow.
There it is. You gotta go to the transmission place. They'll pull that out and put up. That's pressed in.
Okay.
They may just get you a drive shaft. I don't know.
Is that expensive?
Well, yeah. That's a tough question.
Oh
Car problem. Yeah. Hold on, Cal. Let me see something real quick.
man.
No, I'm fine.
It's because it's loose, or does it just need to be tightened, or is it something you can...
Well, you know what? It may not be that bad. Look at this. They got it supported right here. You can actually, you might be able to pull this. Still got to go to the train.
Okay.
Pull this out. Pull your bolts. It's your drive shaft. And you got to take out the bolts and hold it to the center support, like right here. Where are we gonna suck it down? Something was running, but I'm in the wrong thing. Right there. See these bolts? You got one here. You got one over there, up there, see it?
Oh, okay.
Right, that holds the center section, the center support bearing.
Okay.
So when you get that down, it should pull right out.
Okay.
You have to get it, because that's got to get balanced a little bit.
Okay.
We would just probably get a new drive shaft.
Yeah.
Which would be kind of expensive. They may be able to put the center support bearing in there.
Okay.
For you.
Okay.
And then reuse your drive shaft. I'm not sure. I've never done one of these exactly like this.
Okay.
But and then it's got to get balanced.
Okay. Jeez. All right.
Now, see, I don't know if they do that themselves or send it down. No A1 drive shaft. That's the only place I know.
Okay.
Off Fort Avenue, I believe it is down there.
Fort Avenue, okay. Yeah,
They can balance stuff.
Now, how safe is it to drive? Like this?
Just don't get on it.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't put your foot in it.
Okay.
Until you get that fixed. You can see that thing's wobbling up.
Yeah, I see that.
And that thing, I'll put it this way, that thing turns. Suppose you got like a 4 gear in the rear. Okay? That drive shaft's turning 4 times to 1 tire revolution. So think about that. That's pretty fast.
Right.
That drive shaft's spinning 4 times to 1 tire revolution.
So
You got
just...
a 350 gear, it's 3.5 times.
So what's the estimate on if I had to replace it? What do you think it'll cost me?
I've got drive shafts from Fords, not the Mustangs, like pickup trucks. They usually run like $1,200.
Okay. All right.
That's a truck.
Yeah.
Drive shaft. And I get the whole thing from the dealer. They give you everything.
Okay. Well, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Just like I said, don't put your foot in it.
Okay.
You don't want it to snap.
Yeah, I think I could take it probably like Wednesday. You think I'll be out until Wednesday?
Yeah, I can say don't put your foot in it. Just
Okay.
Don't let it go too fast. Because if
Gotcha.
it separates, it's probably going to do some damage.
Gotcha.
It's pretty loose right now.
Okay.
And you got your exhaust right below it.
Yeah.
You got that. It's hard to see.
Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Greg. All right. All right, guys. So it says my drive shaft, and as you saw, the daggone it's loose. So I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this, bro. He's saying take it to a transmission shop, and they should be able to fix it. But I'm gonna take it to my other man, Mike, man, in Annapolis, and let him check it out and see what he say, how much it's gonna cost. And just wanted to go from there, guys. I don't really know what the next move is right now. If you ever need some work done, man, come up here and ask for Greg. And I didn't get the other guy's name. Real cool people, man. They looked out for me. So if you ever need some work done, you in the Glen Burnie area, man, come up here and holler at Greg, man. They'll take care of you, man. They real cool people. They looked out for me, man. So I'm gonna leave their number in the description. So if you ever in Glen Burnie and you need some work done to your car, man, go down there and see them, and they'll definitely take care of you. But we're gonna figure this out. I mean, worst case scenario, I might just have to take the hit, take it, trade it in, and let them deal with it. I don't know yet. I don't know how I want to deal with this. But leave your comments. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. We're going to figure out what's going on with this car, man. Or I'm just going to go and trade it in. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, man, subscribe. Hit that like button. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.